Morning student of class 7. Next exercise number 2 is fractions. First read about what is fractions. A number of the form a upon q b or p upon q where a and b are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers are called fractions. For example, 1/2, 3/4, 5/6, 3 whole 1/2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10/10, 25/25. It is all a fraction. That means all natural numbers. All natural numbers are fractions. Note 0 is not a fraction. 0 is not a fraction because it is not a natural number. 0, or you already know that 0 is not a natural number, so 0 is not a fraction. Every natural number is a fraction. Every natural number is a fraction, but every fraction is not a natural number. Next topic is types of fractions. First type of fraction is proper fraction. Proper fraction, a fraction whose numerator, a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 1/2, 3/4, 5/6, 6/7, 10/11, 25/31, 100/101. It is all are proper fractions. Next, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than, a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fractions. For example, 1, 2, 3, 10/10, 16/9, 9/7, 7/7, 20/20, 60/60, 15/7, 115, 1,105/990. Next, 10,063/101. All are improper fraction. All natural numbers are improper fractions. Next, number 3, mid fractions. Fractions consisting of a whole number. Fractions consisting of a whole number except 0 part and a proper fraction are called mid fractions. Example, 2 whole 1/2, 5/3/7, 6 whole 3/8, 16 whole 3/4, 16/3/5, 17/1/2, 17 whole 1/2, 16 whole 3/5, 17 whole 3/10. It is all are mid fractions. Next, unit fractions. Fractions with numerator 1. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions, such as 1/4, 1/9, 1/5, 1/10, 1/7, 1/8. It is all are unit fractions. Next, like fractions. Next types of fraction is like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions, such as 7/15, 8/15, 9/15, 10/15, 11/15, 2/15, 1/15. Here in all the given fractions having denominator is 15, denominator always 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. So they are like fractions. Next unlike fractions. Fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 3/5, 5/16, 16/25, 25/401, 700/1001. It is all are unlike fractions. Next equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions having the same value or representing the same part of a whole are known as equivalent fractions. For example, 3/4 equal to 6/8 equal to 9/12 equal to 15/20 equal to 18/24. All are equivalent fractions. That means fractions have a simplest form or same. Fractions whose simplest form is same are called equivalent fractions. Next question number 1. Compare 1/2 and 5/7. That means which is more or which is less in 1/2 and 5/7. Solution. Write a fraction, given fraction 1/2, 5/7. By cross multiply 1 into 7 and 5 into 2. 1 into 7 equal to 7, 5 into 2 equal to 10. So 7 is less than 10. Therefore 5/7 is 5/7 is less than 1/2. Less than 1/2. Next question number 2. Write a 36/45. Write a more than 5/7 is more than 1/2. Question number 2. Write 36/45 in the simplest form. Write 36/45 in the simplest form. Solution. 36/45 given fractions. In fractions 36/45 numerator is 36 and denominator 45. To find the solutions, first find the CF of numerator and denominator. The CF of 36/45 equal to 9. So 36/9 upon 45 upon 9 divided by 9. 36/9 equal to 4 and 45/9 equal to 5. So its a simplest form is 4/5 answer. Question number 3. Find 3 equivalent fractions of 4/5. Find 3 equivalent fractions of 4/5. As you know, there are infinitely many equivalent fractions of any fractions. Solution. 3 equivalent fractions of 4/5 equal to 4 into 2 upon 5 into 2 equal to 4 into 3 upon 5 into 3 equal to 4 into 5 upon 5 into 5. 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 10, 8 upon 10, 4 3 is 12, 5 3 is 15 and 4 5 is 20, 5 5 is 25. So 8 upon 10, 12 upon 15 and 20 upon 25 are equivalent fraction. 3 equivalent fractions are 4/5. 8 upon 10, 12 upon 15 and 20 upon 25 are 3 equivalent fractions of 4/5. Question number 4. Write the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending order and as well as descending order. Ascending means smaller to larger and descending में से larger to smaller. Fraction given 2/5, 3/4, 1/2 and 5/10. First find LCM of the given denominators. LCM of given denominators 5, 4, 2 and 8 equal to 40. First fraction is 2/5, right, equal to 2/5. Which number choose a number by which multiply by 5 to get a 40. Always 40. The 5 is 40 and 5 is 40. So multiply it in denominator. So multiply by same number 8 in also numerator. The 2 is 16, 5 is 40. Both are it is necessary. Both are equal number. Both are same number. 3/4 equal to 3. 4 10 is 40. 3 10 is 30. 30/40. 1/2. 2 into 20 and both are same number. 1 into 20. 1 into 20 equal to 20. Up to 22 is 40. 5/8. 8 5 is 40. 5 5 is 25. 25/40. Like fractions are 16/40, 30/40, 16/40, 30/40, 20/40 and 25/40. In ascending order, writing in ascending order the given fractions 16/40 because in numerator the smallest number is 16. Their first 16/40, after 16 a smallest number 20, write 20/40, after 20 25, 25/40 and last 30/40. Here 16/40 equal to 2/5, 16/40 equal to 2/5. Write 2/5. In same way 20/40 equal to 1/2. Write 1/2 in second place, and third number 25/40 which equal to 5/8. 5/8 right here, and last 30/40 which is equal to 3/4. That 3/4 in ascending order. In same way writing in a descending order. Writing descending order. The 30/40, 25/40, 20/40, 16/40. 30/40 equal to 3/4. 25/40 equal to 5/8. 20/40 equal to 1/2 and 60/40 equal to 2/5. This all are in descending order. Next, add 5/6 plus 7 whole 3/10 plus 1 whole 1/15. As you know, in previous classes, read about this type of questions. 5/6 plus first change into proper fraction. 7 10 is 70 plus 3, 73/10. 15 1 is 15 plus 1, 60/15. Now find LCM of denominator 6, 10 and 15. The LCM of 6, 10 and 15 equal to 30. The 6 5 is 30, 5 5 is 25, 10 3 is 30, 73 3 is 219, 15 2 is 30, 16 2 is 32. Now add 25, 219 and 32 equal to 276/30. Both are divided by 6. Both are divided by 6. 46 6 is 276 and 6 5 is 30. The 46/5 answer. Next question, subtract 5/6 from 19/12. Subtract 5/6 from 19/12. Solution. First place write 19/12. 19/12 write minus sign for subtraction. 5/6. Now take LCM of 12 and 6. 12 LCM of 12 and 6 equal to 12. 12 1 is 12, 19 1 is 19, 6 2 is 12, 5 2 is 10. 19 minus 10 equal to 9/12. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3/4 आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिवाइड 5/6 by 30/65. सोल्यूशन, राइट ए सोल्यूशन है 5/6 डिवाइडेड बाई 30/65. फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन राइट सेम वे 5/6 एंड डिवीजन, प्लेस ऑफ डिवीजन राइट मल्टीप्लाई. देन आफ्टर डिवीजन फ्रैक्शंस आर रिवर्स, फ्रैक्शन डूइंग रिवर्स है. तो 60/30, 5 बन जा 5, 5 से 30, 65 बन जा 65, 6 से 36. सो 65/36 आंसर. नाउ डिवाइड 3/5 डिवाइडेड बाय 6/10 डिवाइडेड बाय 15/25. 3/5 राइट मल्टीप्लाई साइन, तो फ्रैक्शन रिवर्स 10/6 राइट हेयर ऑल्सो मल्टीप्लाई, तो 25/15. 3/5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10/6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25/15. नाउ राइट इन सिम्पलेट फॉर्म 3 6 जा 2, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6 and after doing simplest form 5/3 answer. Next multiply 3/10 by 25/35. 3/10 into 25/35. 5 both are divided by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 35. 3 into 1 3, 7 2 is 14 answer.